I'll show you what we're making here real quick. All right, so we got 2 massive lobster tails, all from Route 66. And we're gonna be doing this insane beef rib. I mean, this is massive. If you look at these ribs, look at these things. I just put the beef ribs on the smoker, set it to 285 degrees. You can always go between 285 degrees and 275 depending on how quick you want it to cook. We're about 3 hours into this cook. They're looking absolutely insane. Look at that color. Look at that bark. We'll see you back in about 2 to 3 hours from now. Ready? Boom. Check those out, baby. Massive beef ribs right there with the rub your chub. Let's see what it looks like here. We're at 104 degrees. Feels like butter everywhere. That's exactly what we're looking for. We're done, baby. That's all it takes. That's all it takes. We are back. Viking style dinner. Check these out. Look at these lobster tails. 3 pounds each. On the grill, steamed them, seared them. And here's the finish. These are massive beef ribs. Wow. Beautiful red made. All right. For a Viking. And then we got it. Viking dinner. Thank you, Route 66.